Everyone, welcome to Walmart. Let's look at the Christmas decor. It's like a winter wonderland. Okay, so look at these ornaments. So these ornaments are like $1.98. Let me show you what they have. So here's the gingerbread. Look at the camper. There's the Santa, there's the camper, there's the Santa hat. This is ceramic. This is so pretty. The red cardinal. I didn't forget about you. Look at this, the owl. And here's the truck. This is plastic. There's another camper. Then they have like a box here of all of these Christmas things. I don't want to miss anything, guys. I get so excited. And we have some picks over here. Okay, and there's some ornaments right there. And does it have the price on it? Yeah, $2.98 for a pack of 6. It's not bad. And here we have another ornament. So basically these ornaments on the wall are $1.98 unless I say different. What is this one? Oh, look at the owl, the buffalo check. And here's the top hat. How nice. Look at this one. And here's a gnome. Look at the gnome. Aww. This is a mouse. Okay, this says Jingle All the Way, and that's made of tin. And there's a birdhouse. It's a lantern. Oh, look at the little reindeer, and that's letters from Santa. So let's scan through some of these. I think this is a gnome. Yeah, that's a gnome. Look at that peace sign. And this one. Look at the owl. Very nice. So over here they have these poinsettias in buffalo check. Isn't that beautiful? I like these. How much are they? These are $1.48. What I see in the box, $1.48. So they come in the white buffalo check and then they come in the red buffalo check. Let's see. And they also have like these kind of picks, and then they have these kind of picks. And these are 98 cents, just so you know. And these are also picks. So now these fluffy picks right here, these are $2.98. And these clips right here are $1.48. So each of them have a different price. So let me just let you know. So these picks, which I think they're absolutely beautiful, they're flocked. Okay, these picks right here are 98 cents. And these, it says ornament picks with this buffalo check, 98 cents. That's, what a price. So then along the bottom, you're gonna see the ornaments. Oh my goodness, look at this one. That's beautiful. That caught my eye. So I'm just gonna scan those for you. Those are $6.78 for these. And then the bottom ones are $9.98. So I'm always loving these because if you use them for crafting, you see this one right here has 20. So that's 20 of this kind. Okay, this is really pretty too. And look at the pine cones in red and white. Then you have these ornaments. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at them. So you get 4, well, they're pretty big. 4 for $9.98, and then you have these. Then you have these. What are these? Those are squirrels. So you get a 4-pack for $6.78, and then look at these. Okay, so you have these right here, these ornaments, $2.48. And then these look like they're already done. Fa la la, Believe, and Mary. I don't know where this came from. It's just randomly placed. So you have some more of those clips. They're very beautiful. Those are $1.48. I'm sorry for that, guys. Okay, so you have letters from Santa, and then you have the Santa Claus. Here's the joy. Look at that. Peace. The snowman. Look how pretty this is. And look at the red truck. So nice.
No, we're not doing donuts.
Okay, these are poinsettias. That is so pretty, that ornament. These clips are really nice too. I like these clips. Look at this squirrel. Okay. And this owl. The angel, the tree. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those black ornaments and the silver ones. Very, very, and these are plush. These are so gorgeous. Okay, so here we have some of these Christmas trees. These are $3.98. The smaller one is $2.98. Then you have these believe signs. That's $5.88, and it comes in the white and the red. So that one says peace. Okay, and look, the ho 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 sign. Then you have the Merry Christmas, $5.98, and this one here is $9.98. And look at this. Oh, look at the angel. So the angel is $14.98. Then you have this Christmas tree, and look, the camper. I don't know. So this camper, I believe this camper is, I don't know, but I believe that camper is $6.98. And then look at that Merry Christmas, and look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at the owl. Oh my goodness, that owl is $11.98. And then look at that that wooden decor piece, $12.98. Then we have that pillow, and then that Christmas tree, $11.98. And here's Santa, $11.98. And then those buckets right there are $9.98. And there's the snowman on the end for the same price. Okay, so this is Happy Holidays, the piece. Oh, look at the pack of ribbon. The pack of ribbon, let's see if there's a price. $4.88. So the camper looks like it's $9.98. And then look at these. Joy. There's the peace sign, that's $5.88. And look at that wreath. That wreath is $19.98. How beautiful. You have the joy sign for $4.88, and look at these guys right here, $12.98. So you have that one. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, $5.98. And then you have this one here for $6.98, and that one is $9.94. Merry Christmas. Countdown, here's the moose. These are really pretty. So these are $7.98. And look at this, baby, it's cold outside. Isn't that cute? So that's $5.98, and that one says believe in the magic of Christmas. And these are garlands for us, $7.98. And look at the joy sign, $7.88. The lantern for $11.98. That snowman is $5.88. How beautiful that is. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Walmart to check out some of their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.